Welcome to Shenzhen Xangshi Electronics Co. The company covers a total area of 12,000 square meters. Here, we will witness the birth of each set-top box. In the SMT workshop, the core part of each product will be manufactured here. PCB printing, SPI, patching material, AOI inspection. Multiple production lines simultaneously to improve efficiency. Next to the AI workshop, fully automated insertion of electrode tubes, and DIP plug-in. Next, we'll be in the production line for aging, assembly, testing, packaging, pack into boxes. Each process guarantees the quality of the product.